As you can see, that we got to the hotel. My room number is 319. So this is my hotel card. I'm going to check in. Check with the card. So this is okay. You can see the room tour that the Carnival support system has provided us. This is my room where I'm going to stay for tonight. So tomorrow morning our journey is there. So this is the room, like double bed. So I'm single. They gave me this. This is the room, like if I want coffee I can make here coffee. If I want to call for anything I can call. Any beverage is there here. Okay. These are the things you can see here. This room, TV is there. If you want to see anything, you can see the outer view. Oh my god, this is amazing, right? Amazing view, man. It's the outside view. It's like this, the outer view. Wow, amazing. It's in the Baltimore MD, Washington, USA. You can see here. Oh my god, the amazing view, guys. This is Sheraton, Hotel Sheraton. You can see. You can see here mirrors is there. As well as this is the washroom. You can see here washroom. Okay. Like you can see. This is for the hand wash and everything. Tissue is there, sanitary soap is there, and here your towel, bathing towel is there, and towel is there. If you want anything for bathing, you can use here. Shower is there here. You can take bath here. Shampoo is here. This is your hotel. The toilet, English toilet. This is toilet paper. Yes, it does. So I'm here. You can see. So you tell how is the hotel. Do comments and tell me how is the hotel. Carnival support system is provided on the hotel. I think it's good, right? It's fine. But once again please check the outer view. Yeah, must view here. That's it. You see all the trees or greenery and greenery outside. Wow, outside view, must view. See guys, so tomorrow early morning we are having checkout, like around 8:50 we are having checkout. So if you want to order anything, we can call here. This water, and they gave us the food. You can see the food here. It's like roasted barbecue, roasted chicken, rice, and there's something bread, sweet corn. This food bag is here. You can see my bag as well as my luggage. My luggage is here. So this is the room tour, guys. Do comments how was the room. Is it good? Not for tonight, for today, one night. And this is the outer view. From here you can see. This is the chair. You can see it here. You can see the outer view. Must view. Outer view. Oh, must. This is in the Washington DC, Baltimore, okay, USA. Okay guys, bye, take care. Please do like, comments and subscribe to my channel, Culinary Life Chef Shubhal Assam. So tomorrow is my sign on to ship Carnival again. So I will be showing you the upcoming all the videos, like how to crack the interview for cruise ship, how I clear my C1D visa, what are the procedure for STCW, PCC, medical, everything. I will be giving you updates all the videos. I will be leaving each and every videos to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Culinary Life Chef Shobal Assam, okay, from India. So please give me support, to like, subscribe and comments, and it will make me more motivated to make more new videos. So I will be making all the videos. Okay guys, okay, bye, take care. Check once more the views. Wow, amazing, right guys? Okay, bye bye, take care everyone.